Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset the Logitech MX Master 4 to factory settings. So, if you want to clear the pairings and restore the default settings, for an example the buttons, then what you guys can do is go over and open up the Logi Options Plus app, then select the MX Master 4. Now here we want to go over to the settings, and in the settings we want to scroll down until we see restore to default. Now as you guys can see, it will restore user device settings to their default. So let's click reset and reset again. As you guys can see, this operation was a success and now our device is back to the default settings. But if you want to clear the pairings, it looks very different. So now we don't need the app, but we need to get our mouse. As you guys can see, here we have the easy switch. So basically we can add up to 3 devices per the mouse. So what we want to do is we want to go over, we are at number 2, and if we want to remove it, then hold this button for 5 to 10 seconds and look how that disappears from the app. So basically we'll have to remove that. Now as you guys can see, this was a very fast process. Now we won't be able to actually use that here, so it will always be inactive. And now if we want to do the same, we can just click around and we can also delete the number 3 just like that. Now going to number 1 again, we just hold the button and as you guys can see, it is removing it. So now we know that our mouse is removed from anything, and even though for me it's connected still, then it won't right now. Maybe we've been holding it for too short, so I'll hold it a bit longer. And now what we can do, we can see the difference. Now our mouse is not connected and also it is inactive in the app. So we can remove the device now, and now we can remove it from our Windows settings and, for example, pair it again. So we need to make sure that we are on the number 2 right here. So now we are at number 2, and let's hold and let go when it starts blinking rapidly. And here click add device, Bluetooth, and then MX Master 4. You can get an error that you couldn't connect your device, but it's normal. As you guys can see, I got it first try, but if you didn't, then just restart your Bluetooth right here and turn off the mouse by force turning it off. So just by actually turning the switch down and then up. So that's it for the video. This is how you guys can easily reset your Logitech MX Master to the factory settings. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.